our channel, Dr. Rajkumar's Learning App. You all have shed your tears for onion, haven't you? If not, try cutting them. You'll experience the effect of the real tearjerker. The scientific name of the onion is Allium cepa. We all know that onions are vegetables. Of course, it's beyond doubt. Even though you know, I'll just answer to the question, what makes an onion a vegetable? The food reserves accumulated in the leaf bases makes it bulb-like, which is the edible part, nothing but our onion. Did you know that onions are the fourth most popular vegetables in the world? Yes, with potatoes in the first place, then cassava, and then tomatoes, onion stands in fourth place. Onions are commonly sliced and diced in making hearty warm dishes. While doing so, as we already know, they cause a stinging sensation in the eyes of people nearby and results in uncontrollable tears. This is because onions have a lacrimatory agent, that is syn-propanethiol S-oxide, an organosulfur compound which triggers tearing and stinging on contact with the eyes. The production of this agent is a defense mechanism developed to escape from predators shown. This chemical is produced by a chain of reactions. Let's go through them. Breaking open of onion cells releases an enzyme called alinases which break down amino acid sulfoxides and generate sulfenic acids. A specific sulfenic acid, that is 1-propene sulfenic acid, is rapidly rearranged by a second enzyme called lacrimatory factor synthase, giving syn-propanethiol S-oxide. The gas of this chemical diffuses through the air and on contact with the eye, it stimulates sensory neurons, creating a stinging, painful sensation. Now we got to know the onion's defense mechanism. Then what about our mechanism against this chemical gas? Well, certainly tears are released from the lacrimal glands, also known as tear glands, that is to dilute and flush out the irritant. This is our mechanism. Not all onions release same amount of lacrimatory agent. It depends on the types of onion. Now the question is there a way to avoid eye irritation? No, avoiding onions is not an affirmative answer. I have collected some of the answers. Tears can be avoided by cutting onions under running water or submerged in a basin of water. Leaving the root end intact also reduces the irritation as the onion base has a higher concentration of sulfur compounds than the rest of the bulb. Refrigerating the onions before use reduces the enzyme reaction rate. Wearing swimming goggles or ski goggles while cutting the onion can be helpful. Using a fan can blow away the gas from the eyes. These are some remedies that will help in reducing crying. Isn't it intriguing how there are so many things in molecular level that we are unaware of? We'll keep updating with such enlightening facts. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.